this life, this war. Inferior men get rattled, their cattle slaughter the horde. I'm son two on the battlefield, I take by force, I run through you, I'm battered steel. I take but give more, it's the creed of the cage. I'm a breed that's pure game, I unleash furious rage. I'm a beast, eating my prey, I feast, release, vengeance and cease your whole game. No peace, I make my entrance as beef, it's doomsday. I never ran from my roots, I'm a son of Belarus, where I learned to be true to who I am, to find the proof. See, I ran from the truth, from the kids that tried to move on me, tried from the youth, till I learned to fight. You move, homie, they transform me to a one-man army, to an animal, a pit bull. No one can harm me, I'm a cannibal like Hannibal. The sight of blood calms me, I break your mandible, your body slumps, now you're gone. See, me, I'm the one that will never tread softly. It's costly to count me out, am I done? Hardly. Bred to fight till the death, I rise like a heartbeat, cause I'm all heart, this bite with this bark. All lost, I'm mutilated. I separate the real gift from the fake. I'm the face of Belarus, the truth don't cross me. The pit bulls on the loose, Andre Arlovsky.
When the jaws of the pit bull lock down on you, they so hard. The only way to try to get them off is a crowbar. Impossible to budge when they tight as a vice. Gamble black and blue dice on the price of your life. Do you tap out now and chalk it up as a loss? Arlovsky is such an unstoppable force. You be crucified similar to Christ on the cross. Cause the softest blow feel like a kick from a horse. When it shatters your jaw and loosens your tooth, there's no escape from the clutches of the Russian. From Belarus, this is war, we don't call it a sport. 12 jurors, one judge, half a chance in a court. No remorse, you cannot win, perish the thought. No matter how hard you fought, you came up short. If I was you in this beef, I'd retreat. There is no glory when you meet the agony of defeat. All lost.
Tell me straight, I'm mutilated. I separate the real gift from the fake. I'm the face of Belarus, the truth don't cross me. The pit bulls on the loose, Andre Arlovsky. Tell me straight, I'm mutilated. I separate the real gift from the fake. I'm the face of Belarus, the truth don't cross me. The pit bulls on the loose, Andre Arlovsky. I tell me straight, I'm mutilated. I separate the real gift from the fake. I'm the face of Belarus, the truth don't cross me. The pit bulls on the loose, Andre Arlovsky.
Run it, cause I'm in control. Hypnotic, couldn't see a couple shots of Patron. I ain't feeling night, I get your eyes a kite. Party poppin', shorty said she coming with me tonight. I ain't self-deleting, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid. And I protect what I got, I'm in the house with my blade. Nigga, you front, you gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm sitting, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit it. You should see when I'm stunting, I flash the stones to be bunting. Push the grip, see me rollin', you can tell that I'm howlin'. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units, the gang. I got my crime, you shady with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your ass. If it a lawsuit and laugh, it's not a big deal, it's nothing but some cash. Let's go.
Marshall Madness.
To the rage of today's youth and bottle it. Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it. And spit it back in your faces as you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis. Watch me cause you thinking you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies from parents who failed to raise them cause they're lazy. To grow to praise me and making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me. And you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I grip any hypocritic critic I'm sicked on. And this song is for any kid who gets picked on. A sick song to retaliate to in this kind of music. Use it and you get amped to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their rules with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it. You just know that's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion. The drastic movement of people acting stupid is fight music.
Shady. See you in the aftermath.
Yeah, y'all, let's bring it. Niggas
Niggas is so gangster, niggas is thugs. Niggas will spend their whole life peddling drugs, slanging dope in hopes of one day being able to own their own label and give the game up. Some niggas came up, some just didn't. It's just the way it is. If it ain't meant, it just isn't. Some niggas will get money and pay niggas to back them so they can act up, feel comfortable and rap tough, and that's ass backwards. Niggas just gon' keep coming back, and that's when extortion happens. Then you struggle to get free. I know how this shit be. You give anything to live legitimately, but you gon' find if you do get in this industry, it's best to do business with me than against me. Niggas get behind mics and ain't even MCs. Niggas get on MTV just to dish me. This shit don't even piss me off. I'm laughing all the way to the bank, watching you satellites on my bitch. Ain't even got a car, you're so far under my radar. I don't even know who the fuck you are to tell you to suck my dick while I'm pissing. I don't even listen to your shit to know the fuck I'm dissing. And media that speeds into these views, trying to add fuel to the fire. This little nigga Ja Rule talking about he's gon' slap me. Nigga please, you gotta jump and swing up to hit me in the knees. I laugh at these magazines, they interview them. All they doing is making fake threats to us through them. And pussy, you not Pac, I knew him. Pac is a real nigga, you just a fucking insult to him. It's too bad we had to fall out before he passed, cause if he could see this shit now, he'd be whooping your ass. You talking to a pioneer who engineered the shit for 19 years. Who you got in your ear? I ain't even gotta say it, the fans know. Cause trying to be tough, nigga, you look an asshole.
Make it happen, my rapping is similar to motherfuckers.